properly in Hindi, so I'll be delivering in English. One of the things that I found in Bhumi Adhikar Andolan and today brainstorming is that the 10-point resolution or declaration that has adopted, I truly agreed with that. But from my proposal, I belong to the state of Assam and also to the autonomous district of Assam. In the northeastern part of India, there are 10 autonomous districts which is governed under the 6th schedule. So when we talk about the 6th schedule, let us know what is constitution. What do we define India constitution? The India constitution, we define that it is a legal framework to build a nation or to construct a nation. So Hidayat Idullah, the Chief Justice, former Chief Justice of India, also said that many constitution with a 6th schedule. So when it comes to the 6th schedule, it's defined that it is also a mini constitution which to build a many nation or to construct many nation within India. So I would like to put one point added other than 10 declaration, also to add one point for the 6th schedule area and also for the non-6th schedule area in the state of Assam. It is given the privilege of the tribal belt and block. So this to protect and strengthen 6th schedule and then the tribal belt and block, that point should be added in that declaration so that we are not going back with an empty handed in the state of Assam. And also in the northeastern part of India, Bhumi Adhikar Andolan is not directly associated or interrelated maybe, but in the regional form of protest, state government under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma wanted to establish one of the largest solar power park in India, that is 18,000 bighas and 1,000 megawatt project. That project we have been protesting on the ground, and then we have been regionally cooperating with the other CPI and the party called All Party Hills Leader Conference, the party which which created the state of Meghalaya in 1972. So that party has affiliated with the movement, and now the solar project park, which was funded by the Asian Development Bank for 4,000 crores, that project was cancelled from the ADB. So it was a great success, we can say, with that struggle. So the struggle is going on, and apart from that, many projects are trying to input in the hills area of the northeastern part of India, which will definitely spoil the environment and the ecosystem of that area. Like the entering of Patanjali for the palm oil plantation in Karbi Anglong, and also handing over to Godrej to do plantation for the CBZ, and the palm oil plantation is another project for more than 11,000 crores project. So all these projects are coming very rapid, and on the ground we have been struggling again and fighting again for that. So in future, if Bhumi Andolan can declare one common protest message that regionally the northeastern part of India will definitely cooperate with that Andolan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.